How can you identify trade setups that give you the best chance of capturing massive profits in just 10 minutes a day? If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications and like the video at the end. This is the Naked Traders, and in today's video we'll be looking at the CADCHF Weekly chart, and in just a few moments we'll be sharing a potential trade setup using just price action. But before we do that, let's roll back a few weeks and look at this entry here on the same chart. We sent out this entry a few weeks ago. With price coming off this resistance line that has been in place for the last 3 years, we saw an opportunity to get short using this validation bar here that shows a failed attempt to break this line on the daily chart, with sellers taking control at the daily close. A simple entry that took less than 10 minutes a day. This trade hit our first take profit and fell over 250 pips before stalling at this area. This week we'll be watching this area closely to see whether price is ready to continue lower to our take profit, or is this the beginning of an inverted head and shoulders pattern developing. If this area holds, then we can see price make its way back to the long-term resistance line on this pair, with potential to climb over 600 pips back to the highs of 2014. To trade like a pro in just 10 minutes a day, visit our website by clicking the link in the description below and join our Pro Trader program today.